In this video, I will show you how to fix low audio in Windows 11 and boost audio. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So, the first thing that you can do to resolve the issue is to go ahead and check your volume mixer and output device. Right-click on that sound icon in the taskbar and then click on that Open Volume Mixer. So this will pop on your screen. Make sure the correct output device is selected and volume levels are up. Now, once you have set this up and that doesn't resolve the issue, another thing you can do is to go ahead and enable loudness equalization. So to do that, go ahead and open Control Panel, and then from here, go ahead and click on Sound. So look for sound from here. So you can go ahead and click on System and Security to be able to look for that further inside. So in here, go ahead and click on hardware and sound from the sidebar, so that will take you into the hardware and sound settings. So simply click on that, and then in here go ahead and head over to the sound section, and then from here go ahead and head over to the playback tab, and then go ahead and right click on your default device and then choose properties, and then head over to the enhancement tab. So go ahead and select on your default device and then click on properties. So in here, go ahead and head over into the enhancement tab, check loudness equalization and click OK. Now, the last thing that you can do to resolve the issue if this doesn't work as well is to go ahead and update or reinstall audio drivers. So to do that, go ahead and close all of these tabs first, and then go ahead and open the device manager. So to be able to open the device manager, go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard and then select device manager from here. And then this will pop on your screen. So from here, go ahead and look for sound, video, and game controllers. Right click on your audio device and then click on that update driver button. Or uninstall and restart to reinstall automatically. And that is how you can basically fix low audio in Windows 11 and boost audio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.